Okay, good afternoon, Charmaine. This is another task or project that you will be doing after your task right now. So after that, this will be the second task or project. So what you're gonna do is open Shopify, then go to the products, and when you will be in the products, search for the active status products. Then make sure that the filters of the products that you'll be using has the availability of available on online store. After that, click done. So you will see all of the products that we have that are available. What you're gonna do is open all of these products and check if the description has at least 150 words. So for this first product, you're gonna have to right click, open link in new tab so that you will not be having difficulty in getting the products or in changing the filters. So just right click, open link in new tab, and then you will be shown here. So first you're gonna check is if there are other H1 or heading 1. So for this, you will see that there's no H1 here. Alright, so first thing is check if there's H1. If there is no H1, then the second thing is to check if there is a information here that is like, the words product description. If there are product description here, delete it. So for this example, there's no product description, so we go to the third step. The third step is to check if all of these words is at least 150. So check it in a word counter. For example, this product has only 111 words. So what you're gonna do is open this, copy this link here at the bottom in the search engine listing. Copy this link. Okay, after copying that link, paste it here under the products, double check. Okay, after that, the date today is September 27, and then put the word count. So as shown here, it's only 111, so you put 111. After that, then what you're gonna do is, since this is only 111 words, you need to update the words so that it will reach 150, at least 150. So what you're gonna do is what you were doing before. You need to create unique content. Just add, since this is only, and this is already 111 words, so you can just add 50 more words so that it will reach 150 words. So after adding the words, so you just click on save, and then go to the search engine listing. Make sure that the meta description is only 320 characters. So right now the meta description is not stated, so for this example, for custom sectional, I'm gonna have to create a unique content. So you are using copy.ai, but for this example, I'm going to use this Jasper. So only custom sectional. Just change my input. So we're going to wait for this to load. So this is the output that we have. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. So make sure that you read all of the descriptions so that it will not sound like a robot. It should sound like a human. So edit it if you need to. Okay. So another one is check if there's words like this. So if there are like targets or number of weeks, you need to delete this since we are not sure how many or how long will it take for the order to arrive. So please delete that. And then okay, so this is already okay. The fourth step is to look for keywords. Keywords are what we use to do link building. So for this example, since this is a sectional, keywords for sectional is the name of the product or the type of the product, which is custom sectional, and then the keyword will be added with in Calgary. So for this one, we have to copy this and then link it to the collection of custom sectional. So paste the title. The title should be the keyword, which is custom sectional in Calgary, and this would be linked to the collection. So the collection is, since that is a sectional, right? This is a sectional, so the collection would be this one, the Canadian sectional, Canadian custom sectional. So just copy this URL, paste it in here, and then insert link. So you already have this link here, right? So this would be the link or the type of link building that we will be doing for our products. And then save this. After saving, use this, make sure that the keyword is also in the meta description. So copy this one, first 3 sentences, or depends if it is less than 320 words. Kabalo ka na makitaan ka sa video? So copy this. So as you can see, this is only 283 of 320 words. Okay, so this is already okay. Make sure that the keyword is also in the meta description. The page title is okay. Meta description okay. And then save. So after saving, you're going to check again on how many words. So right now it's already at 189 words. So go to the product in here, 189, and then the date that you updated this would be September 27. Okay, so if ever you will also see products that has duplicate contents, just like these two products. If you can see products with duplicate contents or duplicate product details, just like these two products, you're going to copy their URL and then paste it under the pages with duplicates tab. So these two, alright? So if ever you can see another product that has duplicate contents or has internal duplicate contents, then add it here. Add it in the list so that we can edit it in the future. So okay, so another example, I'll give you another example. So this is already okay. Just click save. Don't forget to click save. Another one is let's find another example. So example, if this is an example, okay. Alright, so first going to copy everything check the word counts. So this is on already 253 words. So meaning this is already okay, right? So since this is at least 150 words. So after that, you're gonna have to, since this is already okay, then you're gonna copy this, the link of the URL of this product, paste it in here, and then put the number of words, which is 253, the date you checked, and then please make sure that the keyword is link here, has a hyperlink. The keyword has the hyperlink. So for this one, the keyword for this is custom type, which is sectionals, and then an add in Calgary. So you should have a word sectionals in Calgary in this description. Okay, so you can check that there's already this keyword Calgary leather sectionals. So that means this already has a link inside the description. So, and the other thing that you have to check is the search engine listing, edit. Make sure that the characters already has this, the keyword. So the keyword that we have is Calgary leather sectionals, right? So this already has the keywords in here. So just save it. Okay, so in summary, when you open a product that you have to edit, so first, check if the words are at least 150. Second, make sure that the keywords is link, and also there's a keyword in the description, and the keyword should be a hyperlink. The link of the keyword should be the collection page of that specific product type, right? So for this one, it's a leather sectional. So when you can see the link, it is a collection going to this product link. In order to get the product link, you have to go to our shop, to our website, and then find the collection in the tab that is specific to that type of product. The other thing that you have to see is the meta description of that product. It should contain the keyword. So for this example, it already has a keyword. So this is already okay. So if that is, all of those requirements are okay, you just have to save and then update all of it in here. So date check, word count, and then do the rest of the products. So I think that's it. If you have other questions, then please let me know.